ma'am, my very first question to you is like, why you wanted to have a breast implant surgery? Like, what was the problem you're facing around?
Well, as a woman, you know, I had two kids. I'm a married woman, so I had two kids, and I didn't feel comfortable with the saggy breast.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, it doesn't feel good. You don't feel confident after that. That's why I decided that, you know, I want to feel good. I want to live again. I want to be confident. I want to dress up and feel good.
Okay, you want to feel good about yourself.
Yes.
What are the problems you face? Any public experience you had where you faced because of your saggy breast? Anything, something with maybe your friends or somebody?
I faced some situations whereby I had some ladies, you know, and they could comment about like me having to have breastfed before, and they'll be like, "Oh my God, is this how breastfeeding looks like? Doesn't look nice," you know, such kind of words, and you know, it really hurts. Yeah, and some of them had kids, but their breast didn't sag that much, and yeah, so it was a little bit degrading confidence.
And why you had a fat injection under your eyes? Like, what was the reason behind that?
Well, I think growing up, as I'm growing up, I just noticed that I'm having eye pockets.
Okay.
Yeah, so I decided that maybe at least I could just, you know, put it right there.
Your look.
Yeah, just that.
So how you felt in the mind? What was your experience over here?
It was nice. I was taken care of, and I didn't expect this much, but it was great. It was nice.
You had a vagina tightening also.
Yes.
So what was the reason for that?
Also because I had two kids.
Okay.
That's the reason why I did vaginal tightening, because my second born's delivery was really complicated, and you know, they cut. When you give birth, they have to cut it out so that the baby, there's enough space for the baby to come out. So that cut had made a huge difference, and my confidence with my husband, you know, things started getting different. Yeah, and because of my second birth, it was a little bit. It didn't feel good, you know. It didn't feel. So I decided I should do that.
How is your feeling right now? Like after doing all that surgeries and everything, do you feel comfortable and more confident, and even like things has changed?
Yeah, I feel good. I can't wait to feel much better.
Okay. Yeah, that is a procedure that will happen soon.
Yeah,
and you will you will get that confidence and everything will back. Yeah. Any message for our patients and our viewers?
Well, I like to say that it all depends on yourself. It all depends on how you feel good about yourself and how you want yourself to be. Yeah. And, you know, if you can do something that can change you, that can make you feel confident, then do it. Because I feel like if you're not confident in anything, even your productivity level is low. You see, so yeah, if you're confident, if you know you love yourself, loving yourself is much, you know, that's the best thing you could ever do. So yeah, do something. If you can change something about yourself, then change it, because it's part of loving yourself. And if you love yourself, then everything is good. Yeah.
One last question from you. See, plastic surgery is not taken in a very good terms, like as you know. So, what do you want to say? Like, why people should do plastic surgeries, and why it shouldn't be a taboo for the the society?
Well, I would say that plastic surgery has helped so many people. There are so many people who came for plastic surgery to to remove fat. You know, that's actually good for their health. Yeah, and some of them, they come here to feel beautiful. It's also good for their mentality. It's also, it's good for them. It's good for their productivity. So, people shouldn't look at it as like it's a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing at all. I mean, we all have our own,
choices.
Yeah, we all have our own choices.
Yeah.
So people should respect that. Surgery is not a bad thing at all. So I would encourage somebody, if you're out there and you feel like you want to do it, You feel like you want to feel good. You feel like you want to be healthy, but you don't know how to start. And you think that surgery is the best way to go for it, then do it. Because that's the only thing that will make you feel good. That's it. Yeah.
And like, according to me, and maybe we will also agree with it, that feeling good is the best part of your life.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.